it's Ralph from About Tech, and welcome to the tutorial series of Add Announcement Bar app on Shopify. In this video, we'll be going through how to set up the announcement bar with templates. So let's dive in. If you've just installed the app, you should be greeted by the welcome screen. And you can find the Create New Bar button right around here. Let's click on it. Now we're in the announcement bar settings page. Here you can see the final preview of what the bar will look like on your page. The first selection to make the setup quicker is the template library. Our designers have created multiple templates from which you can choose either textured, gradient, or plain templates. For this tutorial, let's just go with the first one. As you can see, the only things that change are the background, fonts, and colors. Everything else remains the same. The message stays the same and the button text stays the same as well. This means that in future, you can apply a template to an existing announcement bar, knowing that the content and any other setting will stay the same. Now, an important thing that I recommend you do is enter a name for the announcement bar. Let's just call this my first announcement bar. This is not visible to your customers, but it will help you distinguish which announcement bar is which in the admin panel, especially if you will have multiple announcement bars. Next, we get to the message part. Here you will enter the main message for your customers to see. As you can see, there are a lot of customizable options, which we will discuss in another tutorial. But just as a preview, let's change the font of this text. Let's change it to redressed. And maybe let's just add a bit of size here. There. You can see that it already updates on the preview and we have the new font. Most of the times, you will want the button to link to a page. So what you need to do is enter the link's URL. We're using just our homepage for the store, but it can be any link. Finally, once you're happy with the announcement bar, click Save at the top. This will take you to your new admin panel where you can see the newly created bar. As a final step, click Enable and go to your website to see it in action. So this is our demo store and we've just enabled our announcement bar. So let's hit refresh. And there we go. We have our new announcement bar. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys found it useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop us an email and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. See you later.